What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Just starting off here today on the LITECOIN Faucet. I don't know if you guys have checked it out yet, but it's in the description down below. Ripple is currently down right now, so it's a great chance to make a little bit of Ripple that'll go up. If you see, just from playing the faucets here, I've got 0.018 Ripple, so currently working my way up to 1 Ripple coin. You can withdraw after having 1 Ripple, but I enjoy faucets. For me, it's passive income, and I really just think they're fun to play. It's fun to like watch the amount go up, so I'm just sharing with you something that I've been doing with Ripple to get some free Ripple where I can, and when it gets to 1 Ripple token, I then withdraw it to a Ripple wallet. So definitely check that out, guys. But let's check out the markets today. If you've noticed, it's pretty much red city right now. Ethereum's even down a little bit. Ripple was down to like $1.60 a coin. We've had this nice little spike back up where it's now over $2 again, but still comparatively to where it was sitting, Ripple is still really low. Bitcoin Cash is down, Cardano's way down, Litecoin's way down, Stellar's down, IOTA's down-ish, Tron's way down. It was up to like 26-7 cents. We now see it start to go up a little bit, got down to like 9-10 cents, so hopefully we'll see a little bit of an uptrend here, or at least building some good support around the 11 cent area before it spikes up again. EOS is actually up. This is one of my top coins for 2018. I'm currently holding some EOS, so I'm really happy with the progress. I bought it when it was like $3 a coin, so I've seen a big increase in my investment after buying it that low, and now we see it starting to spike up again. It's had all-time highs of like $13, maybe $14, so really excited for the future of EOS. But pretty much everything else across the board's down. BitConnect tokens were way down, like 250 a token, and now they're coming back up, and looks like back down a little bit, but hopefully we see some more uptrend. I'm sure as Bitcoin goes back up, we'll see BitConnect following suit. Platform's still great. I'm still earning daily income. Just reinvested like $40 yesterday and $20 today into the platform, so it's still paying me every single day, and I'm excited about the growth I've seen from BitConnect. Bitcoin's down a little bit. That's a top coin under $1. Someone asked me what my top coins are under $1. Really quick, some top picks would be Bitcoin, Dogecoin. I feel like I have high hopes for Dogecoin this next year, at least going up a little bit. So Dogecoin's one of them. I like Bitcoin coming back up. Verge is good. A lot of people support Verge. I have not bought any Verge, but I know people really like that under $1. Something else that's good is obviously Cardano and Tron, currently holding those, so check those out if you're looking for altcoins to buy under $1. Now is a great time to buy with the market so low. Hopefully we'll see them just start spiking upwards. But why are the markets so low? What caused this big drop? There's been a lot going on. Like just a few days ago, CoinMarketCap excluded some of the Korean exchanges from here, so that brought the prices down. But then yesterday we had another big drop, and what that is from is South Korea reportedly expands crackdown on crypto exchanges. So more exchanges were apparently raided in South Korea. It looks like BitHum and Coin1 were raided by police and tax officials, though it's unclear. We have reports from BitHum that it was not raided, that it was simply visited by tax officials, and also hearing the same from Coin1, so I don't know if it's a bigger deal or not. Maybe some of you in South Korea watching the video can comment more of a local feel for what's going on over there. But anyway, because of this raid, as they're calling it, there was a big hit on the coin markets here. A lot of people sold, I think in Korea especially, but also then that caused, of course, a domino effect, and people started seeing the prices drop and they started scare selling their coins. So obviously if everyone starts selling like crazy, the markets are going to go down. We've seen a little bit of a recovery. I think Bitcoin was even down to like 12,000 something, so we definitely came down here. Now we're at least back up a little bit to where we were, and we're seeing prices going up back a little bit. Ripple was down to like $1.60, $1.50, so it's back up. So South Korea is undergoing some government problems. The US is currently undergoing government problems with sites like BitConnect, with certain cease and desist letters. I've heard that BitConnect is now putting together legal teams to deal with this, to get the information that the states of Texas and North Carolina are wanting. So that's cool to see them begin to cooperate and begin to present information that the governments are wanting. Hopefully that will release the bans on these cryptos. But in the meantime, I was disappointed to not be able to get into BitConnect BitConnect X, but there is another ICO that's releasing that I'm really excited about. Zouk Coin, earn up to 47% ROI monthly. It's gonna be an ICO that releases here in 3 days, 8 hours, so it's getting close. I believe it releases on the 15th. So they've got a really cool business paper and technical paper outlining their things. I'll link another video. I did a full in-depth walkthrough for the website. I just wanted to revisit it to share with you guys what I'm currently excited about. As far as I know, this is completely available to US citizens, so maybe you guys who saw BitConnect X and were disappointed to not be able to get in and invest, or saw that the price was too high for the starting coins, there's plenty of information available on Zouk Coin, and the starting price for the coin is only 25 cents for the first 500,000 coins. So you definitely want to be one of the ones to get in before the ICO ends. I believe it's already going to be up over $1 per coin, so that's just going to further increase the value of your money, quadruple it right off the bat. They also have a lending program. They're going to have a Faucet to get Zouk coins. They're going to have a staking program. So they've got a really cool roadmap kind of showing their journey. The Zouk coin launched January 15th, lending launch February 15th, exchange launch February 15th. There's definitely some cool things. I'm really excited for this ICO to launch though. So just sharing with you an update on that I am currently planning to invest heavily into Zouk coin, and I recommend it. You can already get ready for this coin by using the link below to sign up and just make a free account, completely free to make. You can check out the website, see if you like it, see if it's something you're wanting to invest, check out their business paper, their technical paper as well. They're active on social media, so they've got a Twitter going with lots of updates. They've got a Facebook going with updates. Definitely check out Zouk Coin if you're looking for a new altcoin to invest in, since BitConnect X let a lot of us US citizens down. Alright, with that, let's head over to our YouTube random comment picker. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. Let's go ahead and see who today's winner is. Hopefully going to be crossing over to 800 subscribers soon, on the road to 1,000. Let me know in the comments down below what we should do when we get to 1,000 followers. I was thinking about releasing like a Discord community chat. If you guys think that's a good idea, let me know, and possibly getting some cool t-shirts or hats or something to kind of start a little community here with you guys, my followers. So let me know if you'd be interested in getting some apparel like t-shirts or a hat or stickers or something going, and then probably a cool giveaway as well when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So winner is Gene Hamilton. This is terrific. I hope I win. You won, Gene Hamilton. Congratulations. Thank you for submitting your Litecoin address. Let's head on over to Coinbase to send you your $10 worth of Litecoin. So there we have it, $10. Litecoin's a little bit down, so that's 0.043 Litecoin right now. Congrats on winning, Gene. And here is your Litecoin. Alright, your transaction is on its way. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I'm so thankful for the support on the channel. Really excited that this channel has really exploded. If you think we just started at the end of November, I just had the idea to launch the YouTube channel to hopefully get active and share what I've learned and track my journey with you guys. And we've had almost 800 people subscribe to the channel. Lots of views and lots of growth in such a short time, in just about a month and a half. So really excited to continue to see that growth here in 2018. My goal is to keep you guys informed and to help you guys achieve financial freedom. My biggest vision for you guys is that you would get off the sidelines and get involved somehow in cryptocurrency, whether that be buying your first coin and just holding it, or getting active in trading, or starting on a mining or lending platform like HashFlare or DAVORCOIN or BitConnect, something like that, just to encourage you guys to get off the sidelines. I waited too long to get off the sidelines, and that's kind of my personal testimony, is to share with you guys that it's time to get off the sidelines. There's a lot of government stuff happening with cryptocurrencies right now, but I think it's still completely safe, and I think the reason we're seeing so much action from different governments in different countries and here in the US is because they see that this has potential, that cryptocurrency is a big part of the future. So just encouraging you guys to get off the sidelines now and get started when this is still in its infancy. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment your Litecoin address down below with a question. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.